Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Let's check these fuses, see if they're still good. Put it on resistance. Well, we have one blown fuse. So the air conditioner is not going to run until I get that fuse replaced. Means a trip to the hardware store. I've had this Amprobe tester now for, well, I got it in 1985. Tells you how long I've had it. I'll go down to the hardware store, get another fuse, should be all good to go. I want to make sure and close that so it doesn't get wet in there. Got one dead one here. 31 bucks at the local hardware store. Prices are going through the roof. Still, it's better to support the local guy because he's there when I need him. Also, I don't think I'd get a much better deal if I went driving around all over the countryside trying to find somebody to sell me one. Yep, we're all set, and I have a spare for next year. Now when you're replacing a motor starter fuse, you want to make sure and match what you've got. Time delay dual element fuse. And this is a time delay dual element fuse. This is a little fuse and this is a Bussmann. Bussmann's a good brand. Made by Eaton Corporation. I trust them. Been in business a long time. Now we go out and put this in. Fuses go in, tabs down. You can put it in this way, but it doesn't power it. You have to have the tabs down. Then this slides up along the top so this surface rubs against the top, and then these slide over and drop over some pegs. That way it latches. There we go. All locked up. Should be good to go. I intended to go out there and chop up that branch that I dropped yesterday and drop the other branch out of the tree, but it's raining again. Springtime in Michigan. Gotta love it. Well, the air conditioner's fixed. I'm sitting here in cool comfort. It's probably going to be freezing tomorrow, but you know, that's Michigan. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.